this have two characters, right? Ni and how. So the meaning, if they both characters are together, then that means hello. But here they have told us the meaning for each character. Like if there is only ni means you, okay? Ni means you, and this how means good, fine, or okay. Okay. This ni is only used for singular purpose. Like if someone, if we are saying also for this ni hao, if someone is standing in front of us is only one person, in that case only we can use ni hao. Okay, but if there are more than one person, then we have some different character for that. But for one person, we will only say ni. Okay, this is for the singular one. They have also mentioned that here. This is only for the singular one. Okay, if there are more than one person in front of you, for that you can't use ni. Okay, and how? How means good or fine. Okay, good, fine, okay. For that purpose, you can say how. Okay, like I'm saying okay, so that also I for in place of okay I can say how. Okay. So now just read once again, one by one, and read thrice. Okay, each thrice. Jitesh, you can start.
Ni hao.
Ni hao.
Ni hao. Ni.
Not try reading with tone. Ni hao.
Ni hao.
Right. Again.
Ni hao.
Once again.
Ni hao.
Right. Good. Ashwin, you can read now.
Ni hao. Ni hao.
Yeah.
Ni hao.
Right. Okay. So that's how you can greet someone in Chinese. Okay. Ni hao. If someone is saying ni hao to you, you will say ni hao. Okay. And if you want to say hello to someone, in that case also you will say ni hao. But only in the case when the person in front of you is one. Okay. Only in that case you can say ni hao. Okay. For plural forms, we will learn that later on. Okay. Right now, we are learning for singular only. That is ni hao. Okay. Now we have completed the text 1. Now we will move to text 2. In the text 2, we have this. Okay, just read this. Nin hao. Any one of you can start, Ashwin. Nin hao.
Nin hao.
Repeat.
Nin hao.
Yeah. Repeat.
Nin hao.
Nin hao.
Right. See, the characters are different, right? This is, both these characters are different, this and this, right? And pinyin is also different, right? This is Ni and this is Nin. Okay, so we have different pinyin for each character. Okay. The pinyin is nin hao. Okay. Now see, this nin is the politer version of you. Okay. Like if you have someone elder in front of you, or you can say someone of higher position, like if you are in a working area or anything like that, in that, like if there is someone of superior to you, for that you will use this nin hao. Okay, this is more of a respected form to say hello. Okay, so see, like here also, like they both are showing respect to this person. Okay, that's why they are saying nin hao. Okay. So the second one we have Niman Hao. Read.
Niman hao.
Right. Ashwin.
Nin hao.
Okay. Repeat.
Hao.
Actually, I'm not able to hear any of your voice. Just speak louder.
Niman hao.
Nemen.
See, here also we have different characters. This ni is same as this ni, the above one, but we have some more character here, Niman. This is one word, okay? Niman. Okay, that's why see we don't have any gap in between ni and man. But the characters are different for both. They haven't showed any gap because this is a one word, combined word, okay, which is made of two characters. Okay, and two pinyin also. Ni and man are also two different kind of pinyin, but they have just combined them and made a single word from them. Okay, that is Niman. Niman means, Niman is like here, Ni was the singular you. Okay, Niman is the plural you. Whenever there is more than one person in front of you, for that purpose, you will use Niman. Okay.
Okay.
Like here, Niman was said by this person, right? There are two in front of him, right? So that's why he has used Niman. Okay.
Hmm.
That's why he have used Niman. So we total have learned three kind of you, right? First you was Ni, which means singular one. Okay, which is the singular one. Then we have Nen, that is the politer one. Then we have Niman, that is the plural one. All three of them means you, but the usage is different. This is used when there is one person in front of you. This one we use when there is someone elder or superior to you standing in front of you. And this one is used when there are more than one person in front of you. Okay? You
Okay.
understood the difference in all these you? Okay. So in this text, we will learn how to say I'm sorry in this sentence. Okay. So for sorry, we say tui puchi. Repeat. I will just write it in Hindi here. ता पे छोटे ऊ की मात्रा, ई पे बड़े की मात्रा. Then we have pu. Then we have cha and e. Okay. Just bear with the writing. Tui puchi. Okay. Can you understand my writing or should I write it again?
No, it is understood. It's clear.
Understood. Okay. So just repeat, okay? Tui puchi.
Tui puchi.
Right.
Tui
Ashwin?
puchi.
Right. Okay. Just repeat again, one by one.
Tui
Ajitesh,
puchi.
yeah, you can start.
Tui puchi.
Tui puchi.
Okay. Tui puchi means I'm sorry. Okay. Whenever you want to say sorry to someone, you will say tui puchi. Okay.
Okay.
Then in the reply, you will say ma a. Okay. Me. Then we will say quan, ku, an. Then she. Okay. Me quan shi. Okay. Repeat now. Me quan shi.
Me quan chi.
Me guanchi.
Did you say guan?
Yes.
No, not guan. It's guan. I have
Oh.
written here ka. It's G is pronounced as ka in Chinese.
Okay.
Okay. Me quan shi.
Me guanchi.
Me
It is,
quan chi.
sorry. It is she or chi?
She. This sha here. I have written here.
Okay.
This
Okay.
sha.
Okay.
Okay. Me quan chi.
Me guanchi.
Right. So me quan chi means it's okay. Okay. It's okay. That's okay. No problem. That way. Okay.
Okay.
So now, like, we will do just a role play sort of a thing, okay? One of you will play A and one will play B for each text, okay? I will write the pronunciation for this also here. Knee. Then we have, you can write this if you have like carrying any notebook or anything. Just write in Hindi. Ha. Okay, knee ha. Just start reading. Ashwin, you can become A, and Jitesh, you can become B. Okay, read the lesson. Start, Ashwin.
Ni hao.
Ni hao.
Okay, now just tell me the meaning for what you are speaking. Okay, ni hao. What is meant by ni hao, Ashwin?
Hello.
Right. Jitesh, what is meant by ni hao?
Good. Fine.
No, ni hao is hello.
Hello. Okay.
Both
Yeah.
ni hao is hello. Like in English also, like if someone says hello to us, we say hello, right?
Yes. Yes.
So here also, if someone says ni hao to us, we will say ni hao only. Okay. But for like if for each, like they have two different characters, right?
Mm.
They have combined them, but but meaning for each character are different. Like for ni is you. Okay. But for the singular one, then how is good or fine. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now for the second text, Jitesh could be A and Ashwin, you could be B. I will write first the Hindi pronunciation here. Nin. And then we have how. Okay. Then for this ni ma Niman and how is same. Okay, now just read. Jitesh, start with A.
Nin hao.
Ashwin,
Nim hao.
repeat. Ashwin, I didn't hear you.
Nimen hao.
Right. Okay. So, Jitesh, why did you have used nin hao and not ni hao here?
To be polite.
Right. And Ashwin, why have you used niman hao here, not ni hao?
I used it because there were more than one persons who I was greeting.
Yeah, who is in front of you, right? Whom you are talking.
Yes.
Okay.